Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. When people think about HVAC work, they usually imagine a technician installing an air conditioner or repairing a refrigeration system. However, the truth is that modern HVAC projects are rarely completed by one person alone. Whether it's a residential building, commercial office, hospital, shopping mall, hotel, or industrial facility, successful HVAC projects depend on strong teamwork. In today's video, we'll learn why teamwork is one of the most valuable skills in the HVAC industry. I'll explain how professional HVAC teams plan projects, communicate, solve problems, maintain safety, and complete installations efficiently. If you're an HVAC student, technician, supervisor, or preparing for overseas jobs, this video will help you understand how teamwork directly affects project success. Let's begin. Why teamwork is important in HVAC projects. Modern HVAC systems have become much more advanced than they were a few years ago. Today's projects include VRF systems, chillers, cooling towers, air handling units, fan coil units, ductwork, electrical controls, automation systems, and building management systems, BMS. No single technician can usually complete every part of these projects alone. Large HVAC installations require cooperation between HVAC technicians, electricians, duct installers, pipe fitters, insulation workers, control technicians, site supervisors, engineers, and project managers. When every team member understands their responsibilities and works toward the same goal, projects are completed faster, more safely, and with better quality. Planning before work begins. Successful teamwork always starts with proper planning. Before installation begins, the project team carefully studies the drawings, equipment specifications, material lists, installation schedule, and safety requirements. During planning meetings, supervisors explain daily work targets, identify possible risks, assign responsibilities, and coordinate activities between different trades working on the same site. Good planning reduces delays, prevents confusion, and helps every technician understand what needs to be completed each day. Clear communication between team members. Communication is one of the most important parts of every HVAC project. Every technician should know exactly what work has been completed and what work still remains. If an installer notices that refrigerant piping conflicts with electrical conduits or structural beams, the issue should be reported immediately before installation continues. Similarly, if ductwork dimensions need adjustment or equipment delivery is delayed, the entire team should be informed quickly. Professional communication reduces mistakes, prevents rework, and keeps the project moving according to schedule. Understanding individual responsibilities. Every member of an HVAC project has a specific role. HVAC installers position indoor and outdoor equipment. Pipe fitters install chilled water and refrigerant piping. Duct installers fabricate and install duct systems. Electricians complete power wiring. Controls technicians install sensors and controllers, while supervisors monitor quality and safety. When everyone clearly understands their own responsibilities, work becomes organized and efficient. Trying to perform someone else's task without proper coordination often creates delays and unnecessary problems. Coordination. During installation, large HVAC projects require excellent coordination. For example, ductwork usually needs to be installed before ceilings are completed. Refrigerant piping and chilled water piping must be positioned correctly before insulation begins. Electrical wiring should only be completed after equipment locations have been finalized. If one team finishes late, every other trade may also experience delays. Professional HVAC companies regularly conduct coordination meetings to ensure that all teams work together according to the project schedule. Problem solving as a team. Unexpected problems are common on construction sites. Sometimes equipment arrives late. Refrigerant pipes cannot follow the planned route. Ductwork interferes with structural beams, or electrical power is unavailable. Instead of blaming one another, professional teams focus on solving the problem together. Technicians discuss different solutions. Engineers review design changes. Supervisors approve modifications, and the team continues working safely. A team that communicates effectively can solve problems much faster than individuals working alone. Safety through teamwork. Safety is everyone's responsibility. Before starting work, the team should identify possible hazards, such as electrical risks, working at heights, heavy lifting, welding operations, or refrigerant handling. Team members should remind each other to wear personal protective equipment, including safety helmets, gloves, eye protection, safety shoes, and fall protection when required. If one technician notices an unsafe condition, they should immediately inform the supervisor instead of ignoring the problem. Strong teamwork creates a safer working environment for everyone. Maintaining quality standards. Quality is another area where teamwork makes a huge difference. After installation, experienced technicians inspect refrigerant piping, duct joints, electrical wiring, insulation, equipment mounting, drain piping, and support brackets. Before commissioning, the team performs pressure testing, vacuuming, refrigerant charging, airflow balancing, and electrical testing according to manufacturer recommendations. Working together during inspections helps identify small mistakes before they become expensive repairs later. Time management and productivity. Good teamwork significantly improves productivity. Instead of waiting for one technician to complete every task, professional teams divide work according to experience and skill level. For example, while one technician installs the indoor unit, another installs refrigerant piping, another prepares electrical wiring, and another installs the drain pipe. By performing multiple tasks simultaneously, the project is completed faster without sacrificing quality. Proper time management also helps companies meet project deadlines and satisfy clients. Respect and professionalism. Successful HVAC teams are built on respect. Every technician, helper, supervisor, and engineer contributes to the success of the project. Professional team members respect each other's opinions, listen carefully, avoid unnecessary arguments, and focus on finding solutions instead of assigning blame. A positive working environment improves teamwork, reduces stress, and increases overall job satisfaction. Continuous learning. Technology in the HVAC industry continues to evolve every year. Professional teams regularly attend manufacturer training programs, learn new installation techniques, study updated safety standards, and share practical experience with each other. When experienced technicians teach beginners, the entire team becomes stronger and more productive. Continuous learning is one of the biggest advantages of working in a well-organized HVAC team.
Why teamwork matters for overseas HVAC careers. Many technicians dream of working in countries such as Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Canada, Australia, the United Kingdom, or Europe. International HVAC companies place great importance on teamwork. Employers expect technicians to communicate professionally, follow instructions, cooperate with multicultural teams, respect safety procedures, and complete work according to project schedules. Technical knowledge is important, but teamwork and communication skills are equally valuable for career growth. Conclusion. Modern HVAC projects cannot succeed through individual effort alone. Strong teamwork, effective communication, proper planning, safety awareness, quality control, and mutual respect are the foundation of every successful HVAC installation. Whether you're installing a split AC, VRF system, chiller, AHU, FCU, or a complete commercial HVAC system, learning to work effectively as part of a team will make you a better technician and open more opportunities for career growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.